Hello, my name is Scott Parkhurst. I'm with Full Compliance Safety. Today we're going to be talking about how easy it is to check and maintain your first aid supplies. Essentially, there's three things that we're looking at. We want to make sure the cabinet is unobstructed, that the surfaces are clean, no bloodborne pathogens on them. And then we're going to, number two, check for expiration dates. Generally, we're looking at any liquids or items that can be ingested like tablets. The expiration dates are going to be clearly printed on there. And then number three, it's going to come time to reorder product. To do that, we want to ensure we have at least the ANSI minimum that's listed on this label. You may notice that there are open cells within the grid where product has been removed, or in other cases, you may see this yellow smart tab that is moved to the front of the box as product has been used. That indicates it's time to reorder. To reorder, you can go to either fc-safety.com, or use the FC Safety Shield. Within that, there's a feature for reordering product. This is going to increase your engagement, and it's also going to reduce your costs. Thank you very much. Have a great day.